Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be working on this very bright, way brighter than I expected it to be. It's kind of a gloomy day and didn't realize how neon this was. We're going to be using the new Beauty Glazed Mars palettes, and this is the Huda Beauty dupe for Ruby. We're using this new Kleancolor eyeshadow primer, which worked great, no creasing, color stayed vibrant. I also have powder to catch fallout. And here is the beautiful eyeshadow dupe for Ruby. So we're just picking up the last shade in the palette, which is a super bright neon red pink. Pinkish red. And I'm patting that on the inner and outer corner, and I'm bringing it into the crease. I'm kind of patting it in the crease too, because we're building up the shade. These are a little bit powdery, but really you don't get much fallout, despite the fact of them being powdery. Now I'm using the AOA Studio brush cleaner to wipe my brush off. We're going to take this kind of neon-y, kind of coral shade, and we're going to use that against the edges to help blend in the crease. Makes a very nice ombre and a very nice seamless blend when you pair two light shades together in the crease. Next up, we're taking the lightest shade in the palette and we're using that as the highlight, of course, and it got a little bit muddy, but that's okay. We're just gonna blend, make it work anyways. And we're using the Amuse 2-in-1 concealer and foundation right here, and I'm using that in the center of the lid. I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush, kind of messily because we're going to apply eyeshadow over top of it, so it doesn't matter. We're going to be taking that beautiful copper shade there, and I'm going to apply that dry on the lid, kind of patting motions, and really fill in the concealer spot. And we're going to blend that in with the neon red. I still cannot get over how bright this is. We're wiping away fallout. We're going to apply that bright neon to our lower lash line. Kind of blow it out a bit. Make sure you're blending it out. And we're going to apply the copper color in our inner corner and the inner of our lash line as well. And we're going to use the Milani Stay Put eyeliner and the Jordana 24-hour eyeshadow pencil in continuous almond. And here's the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 eye booster pen. And we're going to be using the beautiful Loreal Voluminous Burgundy mascara. If you have green eyes, you need this mascara. I mean, it's gorgeous. Love how it applies. And for lips, we're using Maybelline's 920 Nude Lust. Nice nude lip to combat those bold eyes. And I wanted to try out this new WetnWild highlighter I got, and it is gorgeous. I mean, look at that. You guys need this. I think I got it for like $6 at Walmart. It's beautiful. It's a part of, I think they're not their newest Rebel Rose line, but maybe the line before that. I'm not entirely sure. But look at it beam. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Highly recommend this highlighter. So we're going to blend that highlight down. We are super glowy. And I did get carried away in some spots. So sometimes you can't glow too much. So we're going to set that with the Wet n Wild Cucumber Setting Spray, Primer Spray, all that. And here's the finished look. I actually really love how this bright look came out, and hope you guys enjoyed it too. Very simple to achieve, and let me know if you're going to try it out for yourselves. Maybe check these palettes out. They're at JBEVES.com. I'll put a link in the description box. Also, check the description box for product list and additional links. Thank you guys always for watching.